If all we do is stretch and strengthen the body through yoga practice, we're really missing the point. In the beginning, yoga was never meant as a form of exercise. Yoga and exercise are two different sciences. In the modern day, they've become one practice that's very effective, but I encourage you to do the energetic practices a few times a week. Because if all you're doing is strengthening and stretching the body through yoga, you're not getting to the deeper level of the science of working with the energy, working with the chakras that govern everything in your human experience. The physical, energetic, emotional, mental, and spiritual aspects of ourselves are balanced when we work with the chakras, the energy centers, and we do this by working with breath, visualization, and meditation. So please come back to these energetic practices and understand that we have to balance our energy to be able to balance our emotions and mind, because the energy and the emotions and the mind are intricately linked together. So when you balance the energy, automatically the emotions and the mind become calmer and more stable. And this is the science of yoga. So let's go deeper and deeper into these practices together. Each week I'm going to bring in new practices with yoga and with Qigong because they fit so well together. And as always, we're going to try to explore the breath, because it's the breath that's our greatest tool for bringing balance into our entire being. So I wish you a beautiful day. See you for the next practice.